Feeling overwhelmed? Take a moment to step outside, connect with the natural world around you. Take a deep breath and immerse yourself in nature, taking in the sights, sounds, and smells around you. Simply being in nature can help you recenter and find a sense of peace amid the chaos of motherhood. Embrace the power of nature to find moments of calm and clarity in your busy life. Some tips to incorporate this into your routine is to schedule that regular nature walks or hikes. Create a nature-inspired relaxation space in your home. Practice mindfulness in nature by focusing on the present moment. Or invite your children to join you in nature activities to bond and connect. See Patrice Porter.online for more parent support.